Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I will be doing some plantain pancakes. And first we're going to start by mixing everything together. So the ingredients I have here are ripe plantain, some milk. You can use coconut milk or any type of milk that you like, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla. I'll also be using some baking powder, some all-purpose flour, and a little bit of salt. Let's get right into cooking. So I have my blender here, and I have just put in the flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg. And I'm going to pulse this, and then we're going to go in with the wet ingredients. I'm going to add just a little bit of that milk, so when I go in with the plantain, it will still mix. And next we're going to go in with those plantains. And also we're going to be adding an egg. This is how it looks. I'm going to scrape the sides and give it one last pulse. And then I'm going to pour it into another container. And I'm pouring the mixture into my batter dispenser I got from Amazon. And it pours out the exact amount that I want it to. I also added some butter to the pan at first. It is the perfect size. See how beautiful the edges look. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. I'm going to continue doing the rest. And this is how it looks in the end, guys. I added some strawberries and blueberries, and then I added a plantain wheel at the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you like this video and you enjoyed my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to the next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.